Howdy everybody, it's Matthew, your friendly neighborhood technician, making another video for you out of Boise, Idaho. I'm finishing up real quick. It's a Yard Machines with a Tecumseh engine and Tecumseh carburetor. It's a rototiller. The carburetor needed to be cleaned on it. It had a hard start. The primer wasn't working. I pulled the carburetor off, checked it. It's all full of gunk. I got it all cleaned up. In the process though, some of these areas where gaskets need to go, the gaskets broke or were just already rotten and needed to be changed. And on these small engines, I found out that my engine store, I think it's D&J Engine Supply, they're not open on Saturday, and I really don't want to wait until Monday for them to open just to get some small gaskets. So I thought I'd use this as an opportunity to show you and give you the idea you can make your own gaskets, whether it's for a water pump on a Jeep, or you need some carburetor gaskets or something, muffler gaskets for a small engine. So long as you get the proper material, you can definitely make your own gaskets. So let's go over here to the workbench and see what we have going on. Now I've got some gasket material here. This is what I use. It's from Felpro. It's just raw gasket, a sheet of raw gasket material. And so I cut and stamp gaskets out of this myself, and it saves me time of having to go into town and get gaskets. Also, sometimes I work on Chevy and Fords that don't have gaskets available anymore, so I'll use that a lot and do that a lot there. So I've got a small piece here cut out, and all I'm going to do is take my parts, set them down and trace them, and then go ahead and cut them out. And same thing with this part. Now this is going to be a little tricky. I'm going to trace out the inside first and then do partial outside, and then I'll have to finish it off myself. So I'll definitely show you how that's going to work out. So since I only have one hand here and I'm one guy, I'm going to pause it and do my little arts and crafts project and then show you. I'll be right back. Okay, so this one is not perfect, and that's okay, because bottom line is my holes match up and I have enough room to cut and to play a little bit. So it's a little bit hard to get where I wanted to get. No big deal. This one, pretty much the same thing. I've got it stenciled out. So now I will cut it out and I'll match it so I can cut my holes out. And that's what I'm going to go ahead and do next. Right, now that I got my gaskets cut out, I'm going to go over this first one here. I'm going to make sure it lines up in there well. I'm using a mechanics pick. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to punch my holes out there. And actually, I'm going to pause it and get another tool real quick. Couldn't find the tool I was looking for. So yeah, so I've got my holes made there. And now I'm going to get it put together. And you'll see why here in just a second. Okay, so those two holes I punched made little indentions that have allowed me to line them up on the carburetor here. Alright, so I got this set up. So my little bolts have a nice snug fit on there. And now I know that will bolt right into there, and that will bolt right into there. So now all I need to do is get rid of the middle part. That's what I'm going to do next. So I've cut the middle into fours, straight down, left to right, right to left, and now I'm going to cut the middle out. And now that I got the middle cut out, I'm going to get it cleaned up and get it installed. And there you go, folks. And like my mentor tells me, is it pretty? No. But will it get the job done? Yes. It will totally work. Done it many times, never had a problem. So there's a good example on how you can make and install your own gaskets. Thank you everybody for hanging out with me. I appreciate you liking and subscribing and sharing my YouTube channel. This is Matthew, your friendly neighborhood technician, signing off.